Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put mods in SrB2. First, you'll need to find and download your desired mod files, typically from community websites. Always ensure these sources are trusted to avoid any issues. Once downloaded, locate your SrB2 game installation directory on your computer. Inside this main game folder, create a new folder specifically named Mods to keep everything organized. This step is crucial for the game to recognize your custom content. Now that you have your mods folder, it's time to populate it. Take the downloaded mod files, which usually come in PK3 or WAD formats, and move them into this new folder. It's important to place these files directly inside the mods folder, not within any subfolders. Proper placement ensures SrB2 can easily detect and load your new content, making your modding experience smooth and enjoyable. With your mod files in place, launch Sonic Robo Blast 2. From the main menu, look for an option like Add-ons or Mods and select it. This will open an in-game file explorer where you can see your placed mods. Simply select the mods you wish to activate. They might turn a different color or show a check mark, indicating they are now enabled for your gameplay session. If your mods aren't appearing, don't worry. First, double-check that the mod files are indeed in the correct mods folder and are the right file type. Sometimes, mods might not be compatible with your current SrB2 version, so verify that too. Always restart SrB2 after adding new mods to ensure the game reloads its content. If issues persist, consult the mods documentation or the SrB2 community for specific troubleshooting tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.